sometimes a few seconds can change everything.
But what if you had a system that warned you before it was too late?
Introducing AMMASS, the Advanced Medical Monitoring and Surveillance System. Smart, fast, life-saving.
Built-in support nurses designed to protect patients. Useful in any application, even for home use. Ayun lang pala. Korean lang pala. Kala ko ano.